Hey y'all, I'm back with another natural hair tutorial, and this week I'm gonna show y'all how I maintenance my faux locks. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna need our water spray bottle, some tight hold gel by Talia Wajid, gonna have some combs, some hair ties, some hair clips, and a blow dryer. So what I'm gonna do first is just begin to section my hair into 3 sections. So y'all know I like to work a smarter, not harder. I am not retwisting all of these locks. I am gonna retwist around the perimeter and then the top sections of my hair that you would really see if I wore my hair down. Alright, so now that all of the sections are done, we can now focus on retwisting our hair. And so the method I'm going to use today is just a palm roll, or slide your hands in opposite directions, and that is going to make your lock essentially rotate in your hand. And so that's what we call a palm roll. Some people do like comb coils, but I don't have enough new growth for that, so we just going to take it old school. And once that first one is complete, we're just going to repeat this step all the way around the perimeter of our hair. Okay, y'all, real quick, as we're retwisting, can we please just acknowledge my scalp? Y'all, I ain't seen it in like 4 weeks. So I'm just happy to know it's still up under there, and that is the blessing of being able to retwist your faux locks, because it really does make it look a little bit more natural, and I feel like it's pretty easy to clean your hair in faux locks as well. Alright, so real quick, I'm just going to begin to activate the drying process for my locks. And then from there, I'm going to wrap my hair up for the night, and we're going to keep it pushing. Now on to y'all's favorite part. I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges with this Cream of Nature Perfect Edges Extra Hold. Y'all know I be indifferent about my edges, but just to complete the look and keep it real clean and put together, I'm going to go ahead and lay everything down, use my edge brush, aka my Dollar Tree toothbrush, and then I'm going to wrap my hair one more time and let this hold, and then we're going to see what we really looking like. And voila, y'all, a finished product. I will tell y'all, I redid this, okay? I redid this whole process, and I actually let my hair stay overnight, so for about 8 hours in the clips twisted. In this video, I only let my hair hold for maybe 3 to 5 hours, which I realize is definitely not long enough. It wasn't completely dry, and it definitely didn't hold as well as I wanted it to, so that's a lesson learned. But okay, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any suggestions for a lock holding gel, drop them below. Let me know. All right, so I will see you guys really soon. Bye.